Hi everyone, this is Geeta Sajani. Once again, welcome to my channel Geeta's Magic. And today we are going to make pakoras that are all-time favorite of all people. And this monsoon season needs a very craving of pakoras. So one better four type of pakoras we were going to make. So first of all, we will take 1 cup of besan, that is 250 gram, and add some salt, turmeric, red chilli, ajwain and baking soda and mix it well. And see, the spices are according to your batter or material, how much you are taking besan. So mix well all the things together, and besan should be lump free. So do it with the whisker. So first we will make aloo pakoras. So aloo pakoras are very tasty and all like to eat aloo pakora. So we will take big aloo and put the slices like this, like chips with the slicer. And aloo should be little bit salty and red chili powder marinated, and dip in the batter of besan and put it in the oil. So it should be fried on the medium heat oil, because if we will cook in the high flame, outside will be cooked but inside the potato will be remain raw. So it should not be like this. So do it slowly, and color should be like this and crunch should be like this on the slow flame. So aloo pakoras are done. Let's go for the next is paneer pakoda. So for paneer pakoda, I took 200 gram paneer, and like this I had done slice triangle pieces and marinate with the salt and red chili flakes and dip in the batter like this. Guys, do one thing you can do. Paneer pakoras should be, these are the plain paneer pakoras, but you can cut in the middle and apply the chutney in between 2 slices of the paneer and then dip in the batter and fry. That also tasty looking. So paneer pakoras are also ready. Now we will go for the third one, tomato pakoras. So for tomato pakoras, you take the hard tomato, you should not take a soft one, and do slices. See, in my home, tomato pakoras are very favorite of everyone. So the tomato also same process. Marinate it with the salt and red chili powder for the 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, dip in the batter of the besan and put it in the oil and do it very slowly so that it should be crunchy. Guys, in slow flame, you always see the things being crunchy. So tomato pakoras are also ready. The fourth one, mirchi pakoda. If you are making pakoras and you don't make mirchi pakoda, then it's not worth like incomplete process. For me, chili pakoda are very important when we eat the pakoda. So chili pakoda also very easy, and guys must try at your home. Thank you.